Okay, so this is what's currently here. It's an April air humidifier that just doesn't work anymore. You can see the pipe comes out and it goes up and back in the top. It's forced air, so as it goes back up through the bottom, it sucks it through and in. So I need to simply replace this one. It's got screws up here on the top. We can take it down pretty easily. This thing needs to be shut down somehow. I don't know. There is a shutdown valve over here. I don't think you can see that, but there is one. Anyway, this needs to be just piped off because this is the newer model. It's an April Air whatever. A whole house system. Still has the water intakes here on the side. So we would still hook it up to the water pipe going up here on the side of that. You can see the water pipe comes around front and hooks in. So the bigger problem you can see here on the side is where we connect it. The bigger problem is that the dimension for the hole is not the same as the dimension for this hole. And that's where it's going to take a little bit of effort to make the two fit and fill the gap. So that's the project. Let me know if you want to mess with it. Thanks. Bye.